Existing design rules violations. You might have noticed that the transistor pads are showing that there is a violation. Right-click over a violation and select violations in the right-click menu as shown in this image. The details show that there is a clearance constraint violation between a pad on the multilayer and a pad on the multilayer, where the clearance is 0.22 mm, which is less than the specified 0.25 mm. If you find the violation markers distracting, you can clear them by running the tools, then click Reset Error Markers command. This command only clears the marker. It does not hide or remove the actual error. The error will be flagged again the next time you perform an edit action that runs the online DRC, such as moving the component or when you run the batch DRC.